Hey guys, today I wanted to share some information that we found out about 2012. So there's the years 2012 to 2014 Volkswagen Passat diesel TDI turbo diesel injection. So a customer came over with the turbocharger not working and wanted to have it replaced. So we started looking into it, and actually it turns out there is an extended warranty program. If anyone out there having issues with their turbo, where maybe the fan is stuck or broken or making noise, this will be covered under the extended warranty. And I want to give you more information on that. Hopefully it will help somebody out there. And by the way guys, we're a new channel, so help us out. Click that subscribe and like button, please. It's not going to cost you anything, I promise. But you know, it does help us a lot and we really appreciate it. So on this document you can see Volkswagen has published this document stating anyone having problems with the turbocharger, it is covered under warranty, extended warranty, and they even give you some photos of what to look for. And I'll share the document number here. So as you can see, it's called the Technical Service Bulletin, TSB, and the TSB number is 203-6110/13, and the release date on that is which is March 15, 2020. They go over the whole process, and as it turns out, just replacing the turbocharger is not gonna resolve the issue. There's a lot of other stuff that they're saying, the dealer's saying, that they're gonna have to change, and they give you a whole part list in this document what they're gonna be changing. So for example, here they're gonna be changing the turbocharger, the oil pump, engine oil supply pipe for turbocharger, return pipe, and so on. You can see this a whole list of stuff that they're going to be changing. And as you can see, move on to the next page, there's some other stuff they're going to be changing. So the bottom line is, guys, don't spend money on it. If you fall into this, like the years 2012 to 14 Volkswagen Passat. Now this document does not talk about the mileage. Now we end up calling the dealer, and they said the mileage really depends on the VIN number, which I'm not sure why it does that, but we provided the VIN number for our customer vehicle, and it turned out that the mileage was 123,000 miles. So it may be different for your vehicle depending on the VIN number. So I am not sure. The best thing would be to call the dealer and let them know this is the issue that you're having with the turbocharger. And one of the very important thing is this DTC code, see, P0299. This has to be present in the ECU, which is for the turbo supercharger underboost. They will look for this code in order to cover, you know, the warranty, extended warranty. So the best thing would be for you to call the dealer, give them your VIN number, and see if your vehicle is covered. And most likely, if it's, you know, around that mileage, 120, 100, for us it was 100, less than 123. So around that range, it should be fully covered, and you should not have to pay anything out of pocket. So hopefully this helps somebody out there. If you have any questions, post them. We'll look up more information, try to answer your questions. And please make sure you like and subscribe. It helps us a lot. Thank you so much. Bye.